Hey guys, welcome back. Well, tonight this morning I guess, we're heading back out. This beautiful old tree that I found. Finally got a clear night, no clouds, it's clear. It's clear, probably the clearest night cloud-wise for the month. Galactic Centre not as bright through photo pills, but hopefully it's good enough to capture and we can get a good image. So fingers crossed, it should be sort of coming up. We should be. Oh, we can only try. But looking pretty good at the moment. Let's go see if we can't get some shots. We drive over and quickly suss it out and see what we can find. Rightio, see you shortly. Hey guys, rightio, I've gone to plan B again. It's always good to have a plan B. Definitely helps you out. Probably can't see it in the background, but I'm just come down to Bells Rapids to give that another crack. Yeah, the tree you would see in the original photos, I would have shown you just then. There's just too much city light. There's a bit of cloud there, but I think there's just too much light pollution coming from the city. That's just not letting me get that Milky Way. So I tried everything I could. Went up and down the ISO spectrum, and I was getting stars, but I'm not getting a Milky Way. So it's just, unfortunately, it's a beautiful tree and a beautiful spot ruined by a city. Well, not much I can do about that. That's life, isn't it? But Bells Rapids, with these hills on the side, it blocks out that light pollution, which is really good. And I've got a couple, at least 2 or 3 here that I'm really happy with and I'm excited about. So I might have finally got my shot. High up around the ISO, I think about 6200 and 8000 ISO was my sort of sweet spot to get what I was after. F1.4, I sat on that and about 5 seconds using that new NPF rule, not the old 500 rule. I've got a few at the old 500 rule, but I think the ones using that NPF rule, which I got through photo pills, it's a lot shorter, but it's a new calculation that takes in a megapixels and blah blah blah. And yeah, so there we go. Here comes one of those morning trains. Anyway, I'm pretty much done here. The clouds and the morning mist has sort of come in, so I can't get much else. So that's it. I'll show you now what I got out of this, and it might be time to go home to bed for an hour or two, maybe an hour. Oh, there's a morning train. Well, there you go. Righto, time to rock and roll. The trains are coming.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up, Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons.
Rightio. Well, hopefully you will see in the photos that are following, I've had a couple of wins. I think I've got something at least 3 that I got early on at Bells, and some late at the end there. Which were actually come up pretty good. The clouds just give me a little bit of a gap, and I'm going to have probably 5 minutes worth of decent sort of clear space. And now the sun's just about to come up, so she's all over. Done and dusted, packed up. I've tried my hardest. That's all you can do, I guess. I do have some nice ones of that tree with some stars in the background on the other one from the one I was originally trying to get, but I just don't know if it actually happened. So you'll know when you see the photos, I guess. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. It's been definitely a challenge. I've learnt a shite ton about the astro side, which is what I was all about. So just being able to understand it, handle it, go out and get a image or two, so I know what I need to do. Because when I get up to the Daly River for the fishing comp, it's going to be a super dark space. So hopefully all the stars align and everything, and I can get a really, really super Milky Way shot for you while I'm there. That would be pretty epic over the river. So I've looked at it already, and if I get it on the right night at the right time, basically you're going to have the Milky Way coming out of the river. So this is all training towards that. So that would be one for my portfolio, my website, if I ever get that done. Another job we got to do. But anyway, that's it. Time to go home, and Snee's going back to sleep. It's nearly breakfast time for Jack, or he'll be getting up soon. So go home and I guess, yeah, chill out, download some stuff. Righto, see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below for us. That'd be much appreciated. Awesome as all of yous are. I do appreciate your support. Thanks very much. See you on the next one. Bye.